How to place an order on Fiverr tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how to get started with Fiverr and how you can place orders and get work done. So let's get into it. Now, Fiverr is a freelancing platform that allows both creators and people that are looking to hire to find the specific skill set that they are looking for. So, Fiverr connects larger businesses or corporations or just single individual people that are looking to hire other freelancers to get started with. Now, on Fiverr, there are multiple different business fields that are available. You can see on the top over here, you have everything from graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, and so much more. So you have multiple different options available. And if you're working in any kind of business, whatever kind of business that you are starting in, you can find help using Fiverr. So let's say that I am running a business and I want someone to manage my social media or to optimize my SEO. For that, all I need to do is to go onto fiverr.com, and I already have an account on Fiverr. Even if you don't have an account on Fiverr, just click on join over here and sign up via your email address. So you can just sign up simply with your email address. I'm just going to log on to my account. If you don't have one, just sign on using your email address, and you can choose whether you want to be in seller mode or buyer mode. So I want to be in buyer mode because I'm looking to purchase other people's services. Now, let's say I'm looking for a social media marketing specialist. So for that, I'm just going to click on digital marketing over here. Once I hover my mouse over digital marketing, you can see there are multiple different specializations or niches or categories within digital marketing. So if you just click on digital marketing, they're going to show you all of these different fields within digital marketing. So let's say that I want someone specifically to social media advertising, and maybe I want someone to do e-commerce marketing. So depending on what your use is, you can browse these categories. A lot of these are overlapping, so you will be able to see multiple different people offering, a bundle of services together because a lot of these services overlap. So I'm just going to click on social media advertising over here. And once I click on social media advertising, I'm just going to scroll down and you can see the different people that are offering social media advertising. Now, what I'm going to do over here, once I'm in social media advertising, is that I can click on service options and I can choose which industry I am in, like what specific service that I want, or the platform type. So let's say that I want social media advertising specifically for TikTok and Instagram. And I'm going to click on apply over here. And now the search result is filtered on these promotions with these people that are offering social media advertising, where they also include TikTok and Instagram. Now, once I do that, I can click on service option once more, and I can choose the industry that I am working in to further see more people that are specialized in that industry. So I can find people that are selling specifically within that industry, that people that are, people that have work experience promoting beauty products or promoting healthcare products or promoting, nutritional supplements. So that would be a better option. Now, once you have done that, you can also choose your seller details. So if it should be a level 1 seller, a level 2 seller, a top rated seller, should they be English speakers, where should the seller live in? So let's say that you want a English speaking seller because you cannot communicate in any other form. Then you can also choose, if you want a lower price, you can click on new seller, or if you want a more experienced, more seasoned professional, you can go with a top rated sellers, but they will obviously come at a higher price. So I only want the seller to be able to speak in English. That is my only caveat. And then I'm going to select a budget as well. So let's say I don't want to spend more than $200, or maybe I don't want to spend over $100 asking someone to work for me as a social media advertising person. So I'm just going to add the max at $100. And then I also have delivery time. So I want delivery up to 7 days. So I'm going to click on apply over here. And now you can see the search engine results have been optimized. So once I have put in all of my filters, I can also choose local sellers, online sellers, or pro services. So if I select online sellers, this will basically connect me to only people that are presently online on Fiverr. So I can instantly communicate with them about the services that they are providing. So let's take a look at the different services. I'm just going to browse them over here. And what I'm going to do, this person over here is managing and optimizing Facebook ads for conversion. And I want to focus more on TikTok or Instagram. So I'm just going to scroll down over here. And there are so many people offering these ads. So TikTok ads campaign setup. So this person will set up, create TikTok ads, and campaign as your TikTok ads manager. So I'm just going to open this up, and they have a 1-day delivery. And you can see this is their standard version. Each seller on Fiverr, often they have 3 versions of the same service. So the $10 version has 1-day delivery and these services. Then if you click on the standard version, they have 3-day delivery, where you have 3 days, analytical report, automated feed ads, keyword research, as well as target audience research. And then you have premium version of the same service provided by the same seller, where they are offering this at 50 USD with a 7-day delivery time, with 5 campaigns, optimization, and lookalike audience. Now you can also go on ahead and view about what people have said about the seller before you place an order on Fiverr. So I recommend just take a look at the seller's profile, just take a look at, their last deliveries, the description they have wrote about themselves, to better understand what kind of service that they are providing. And once you are satisfied with what you have seen, what kind of service that they are providing, their description, they seem professional to you, then just click on whatever package that you want. So let's say I want the $10 version, where I get, keyword research, management duration, they manage the campaign for 1 day, and then they hand it over to me. So I'm just going to select that over here. I'm going to click on continue on the right side of my screen, and then I simply can add my credit or debit card information, or you can also choose to pay via PayPal. So you can just click on PayPal checkout, and then you will pay them via PayPal. And once your service has been completed, the payment would be handed over to the person that you are purchasing from. So that is how simple and easy it is to place an order on Fiverr to simplify your work. It is a very effective platform to now outsource some of your work. If you have a lot of workload, you can outsource a lot of things on Fiverr to freelancers for a lower price than you would usually find with people around you or with professionals working in the industry. You can often find people working and doing the same things for a lot less money. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.